Imagine your smartwatch suddenly knows exactly where you are, even on the toughest hiking trails, without missing a beat. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, for Galaxy Watch 7 users, that future is here, and it's rolling out now. Samsung just released the third beta of One UI Watch 8, and it's packed with improvements that could completely change how you track workouts, hikes, and even your daily security. But there's one update in particular that might surprise you, and it's something you'll notice immediately on your watch. Let's break it down. The Galaxy Watch 7 One UI 8 Beta 3 carries firmware version L305NKU1ZHA and is about 231 megabytes in size. Right now, it's available in Korea, but a wider release is expected soon. So, what's new? First, Samsung fixed an annoying issue where the GPS connection lagged when resuming a paused workout. That means your running, biking, and hiking sessions are now tracked more accurately and without interruptions. Speaking of hiking, the update also improves trail route accuracy, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who rely on precision navigation. Next, there's a subtle but practical fix. If your watch is charging in vertical orientation, the display will now turn off properly, saving both battery and preventing accidental touches. And finally, the update brings the August 2025 security patch, enhancing your watch's safety and protecting against multiple vulnerabilities. In short, this beta makes your Galaxy Watch 7 smarter, faster, and more reliable than ever before. If you're eager to try it, open the Galaxy Wearable app, go to Watch Settings, Watch Software Update, download and install, and you're ready to go. And here's the kicker. Samsung plans to expand this update to more regions soon, so almost everyone will get to experience these improvements. Don't miss out. Your smartwatch is about to get a serious upgrade.